What if I told you that one of the most overlooked things you've been ignoring after 60 might actually be the key to saving your eyesight? Most people over 60 are doing what they think is right. They eat carrots, take multivitamins, and wear their reading glasses, accepting that blurry vision is just part of getting older. And that sounds reasonable. But here's what no one tells you. According to the National Eye Institute, by age 75, half of all adults will either have cataracts or have had cataract surgery. Half. That's not a rare condition. It's an epidemic hiding in plain sight. But cataracts aren't the only concern. The American Academy of Ophthalmology reports that age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is the leading cause of irreversible vision loss in adults over 60. And what's alarming is that AMD often develops silently for years. By the time you notice blurry central vision or faces looking distorted, the damage has already begun. A study in JAMA Ophthalmology found that adults over 60 with vision decline are more likely to suffer from depression, experience falls, and lose their independence. Your eyes aren't just about seeing, they're about living. They're about reading a grandchild's birthday card, recognizing faces at family gatherings, and driving to the store without fear. Yet most people are told the same thing. It's just part of aging. Get stronger glasses and wait for surgery. But that's not the whole truth. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't about blaming you or criticizing your eye doctor. Regular eye exams and corrective lenses are essential. But what if those things are just management, not restoration? Here's another fact most people never hear. A groundbreaking study from the Wilmer Eye Institute at Johns Hopkins found that specific nutrients can slow the progression of AMD by up to 25%. Not surgery, not expensive treatments. Nutrients. And the most powerful delivery system for these nutrients? It's not a pill. It's a seed. One single seed that's been used for centuries and is now backed by modern science. This video was created for you. Not to scare you, but to show you, with real science and simple nutrition, that protecting and even improving your vision after 60 is absolutely within your reach. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the one seed that contains the exact combination of nutrients your aging eyes desperately need. And if this message resonates with you, if you believe your best years of clear vision are still ahead, please like this video and share it with someone you care about. Because clear sight isn't about vanity, it's about freedom. Have you heard the hidden truth about vision loss after 60? It's not just about aging. Your eyes have some of the most metabolically active tissue in your body. The retina alone uses more oxygen per gram than your brain. This creates massive oxidative stress. Without the right antioxidants, the delicate cells in your macula start to break down. Add blue light from screens, toxins, and poor sleep, and you see why glasses get stronger, but your vision gets weaker. But what if I told you there's an empowering shift? What if carrots are just the appetizer, and one special seed eaten at the right time could deliver 5 of the most powerful vision-protecting nutrients while you sleep? This is the secret ophthalmologists and nutritionists are finally talking about. Eating this seed at 9 p.m. might be the simplest, most powerful thing you can do for your eyes, starting tonight. The seed I'm talking about is the pumpkin seed. Now, before you think, that's it? Let me explain why this humble seed is a giant in vision science. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, have been used for thousands of years as medicine for eye health and longevity. Modern science is just now catching up. Pumpkin seeds have one of the highest natural concentrations of zinc. Your retina is a zinc-hungry organ. Research shows zinc is critical for transporting vitamin A from your liver to your retina. Without enough zinc, it doesn't matter how many carrots you eat. The vitamin A won't reach your eyes effectively. But zinc is just the start. Pumpkin seeds also have omega-3s to reduce inflammation, vitamin E to protect retinal cells, and lutein and zeaxanthin, your eye's natural blue light filter. This combination is nearly impossible to find in a single food. The famous AREDS 2 study confirmed that this exact mix of nutrients reduced the risk of advanced age-related macular degeneration by 25%. The study used supplements, but pumpkin seeds deliver these nutrients in their whole food form for better absorption. So, why eat them at 9 p.m.? It's all about your body's internal clock. Around 9 p.m., your body starts releasing melatonin, a powerful antioxidant that concentrates in your eyes during the night. Eating pumpkin seeds then gives your eyes the fuel they need right when the repair crew clocks in. First, the tryptophan in pumpkin seeds helps your body produce more melatonin. Second, your body absorbs zinc up to 35% better in the evening when you're relaxed. And third, Your eyes do most of their repair work while you sleep. A study found that people who ate zinc and antioxidant-rich foods in the evening had 28% higher retinal antioxidant levels the next morning. Same food, different time, dramatically different results. Let's break down the 5 critical nutrients, starting with number 5, magnesium. We think of magnesium for sleep or muscles, but it's crucial for vision. It relaxes the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, improving blood flow. A study found that adults with good magnesium levels had 34% better blood flow to the optic nerve. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides 40% of your daily magnesium, ensuring your eyes get the circulation they need for overnight repairs. Next, nutrient number 4, vitamin E. Most people think of it for skin, but it's an invisible shield for your eyes. Your retinal cells are made of fats that are very vulnerable to damage from light and pollutants. Vitamin E embeds into these cell membranes, neutralizing free radicals before they can cause harm. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains a special form of vitamin E that provides broader antioxidant protection than many supplements. Coming in at number 3 is omega-3s. Your retina has the highest concentration of omega-3s in your entire body. These essential fats build healthy cell membranes and are powerful anti-inflammatories. Most of our diets are full of inflammatory omega-6s. Pumpkin seeds provide the plant-based omega-3 ALA, which helps restore balance and calm the inflammation that drives vision loss. Finally, number 2 and 1, lutein and zeaxanthin. You might not have heard of them, but they're your eye's internal sunglasses. These are the only 2 nutrients that concentrate in your macula, filtering out harmful blue and UV light before it can damage your sharp central vision. They form a protective layer, and the more you have, the better your eyes are shielded from daily light exposure. So, this simple habit of eating a handful of pumpkin seeds around 9 p.m. isn't just a healthy snack. It's a strategic move to align with your body's natural healing rhythms. It's about giving your eyes the specific tools they need, at the exact time they can use them best to repair, protect, and restore your vision for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more health insights. What if I told you that one of the most overlooked things you've been ignoring after 60 might actually be the key to saving your eyesight? Most people over 60 are doing what they believe is right for their vision. They eat carrots, they take multivitamins, they wear reading glasses, they accept that blurry vision is just part of getting older. And on the surface, that sounds reasonable. But here's what no one tells you. According to the National Eye Institute, over 24 million Americans over the age of 40 suffer from cataracts, and by age 75, half of all adults will either have cataracts or have had cataract surgery. Half. That's not a rare condition. That's an epidemic hiding in plain sight. But cataracts aren't the only concern. The American Academy of Ophthalmology reports that age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is the leading cause of irreversible vision loss in adults over 60. And what makes this alarming is that in most cases, AMD develops silently for years before symptoms even appear. By the time you notice blurry central vision, difficulty reading, or faces looking distorted, the damage has already begun. Your eyes aren't just about seeing. They're about living. They're about reading a grandchild's birthday card. They're about recognizing faces at family gatherings. They're about driving to the grocery store without fear. And yet most people over 60 are told the same thing. It's just part of aging. There's nothing you can do except get stronger glasses and wait for surgery. But that's not the whole truth. Here's another fact most people never hear. A groundbreaking study from the Wilmer Eye Institute at Johns Hopkins found that specific nutrients, when consumed consistently and at optimal times, can slow the progression of macular degeneration by up to 25%. Not surgery, not expensive treatments, nutrients. And the most powerful delivery system for these nutrients? It's not a pill. It's a seed. One single seed that has been used for centuries and is now backed by modern science. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal this seed, why eating it at 9 p.m. specifically creates a powerful synergy with your body's natural healing cycles, and the critical nutrients inside that ophthalmologists wish more patients knew about. If this message resonates with you, take a moment to like this video and share it with someone you care about. Because clear sight isn't about vanity, it's about freedom. For decades, people over 60 have been told to eat more carrots. But here's the truth. Carrots alone cannot prevent age-related vision decline. A study from Tufts University found that while vitamin A prevents night blindness, it does almost nothing to protect against macular degeneration or cataracts. This means millions of people believe they're protecting their vision, while the real nutrients their eyes need, like lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, remain dangerously low. Think of it this way. Your eyes have a natural defense system against light damage, and lutein and zeaxanthin are the soldiers standing guard. A landmark study followed over 100,000 adults for 25 years and found that those with the highest intake of lutein and zeaxanthin had a 40% lower risk of developing advanced AMD. 40%, that's life-changing. But here's the problem. Your body can't produce these nutrients. You must get them from food. And the typical Western diet provides only about 1 to 2 milligrams daily, far below the 10 milligrams research suggests is optimal. This is where pumpkin seeds become so valuable. They contain meaningful amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, and more importantly, they contain the healthy fats needed to absorb them. But now, for the single most important nutrient for your eyesight after 60. The mineral your eyes cannot function without: zinc. Your retina contains more zinc than almost any other organ in your body. Its most critical job is transporting vitamin A from your liver to your retina. Without enough zinc, night vision deteriorates, and the retina becomes vulnerable. This is why eating carrots without adequate zinc is almost useless. Here's why pumpkin seeds are exceptional. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains about 2.2 milligrams of highly bioavailable zinc, one of the highest concentrations of any plant-based food. Zinc deficiency is shockingly common in adults over 60. Symptoms like difficulty seeing at night or increased glare sensitivity are often mistaken for normal aging. They're not. They're often signs of a correctable deficiency. By eating 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds at 9 p.m., you're delivering bioavailable zinc to your bloodstream exactly when your eyes need it most, during the nighttime repair cycle when cellular restoration peaks. You're not just eating a snack. You're providing the master key that unlocks your eyes' ability to heal and protect themselves. Now that you understand why pumpkin seeds are so powerful, let's talk about how to eat them correctly. First, choose raw, unsalted organic seeds when possible. Second, portion size matters. The optimal dose is about 1 ounce, or a small handful. Consistency is what matters, not quantity. Third, timing is critical. Eat your pumpkin seeds at 9 p.m., about 1 to 2 hours before bed. This allows the nutrients to reach peak levels as you transition into deep sleep. Nutritional changes take time, so be patient. In the first few weeks, you might notice better sleep quality. By weeks 6 to 8, many people report improved night vision and reduced eye strain. Pumpkin seeds aren't a miracle cure, but they provide the nutritional foundation your eyes need to resist decline. The goal is protection. One last bonus tip: if you eat leafy greens like spinach or kale with your evening meal, the fats in the pumpkin seeds you eat later will enhance the absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin from those vegetables, creating a powerful synergistic effect. This isn't a fad. It's a simple, science-backed strategy. 1 seed, 1 optimal time, and the potential to protect your priceless ability to see the world clearly. You don't need to accept that blurry vision is inevitable. You need to nourish your eyes with what they've been missing. If this video gave you new insight, please hit the like button so this message can reach others who need it. Comment below and tell me, did you know pumpkin seeds had these benefits? And if you're ready for more guidance on aging with strength and clarity, subscribe to our channel. Your next chapter doesn't begin with accepting decline. It begins when you decide to nourish your body with intention. Tonight at 9 p.m., eat your pumpkin seeds. Your future self will thank you for it. Until next time, take care of yourself. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick bonus tips to boost the effects of your 9 p.m. pumpkin seed routine. First, pair them with leafy greens at dinner. The fats in the seeds help you absorb more vision-protecting nutrients from spinach or kale. Second, cut down on blue light from screens after 8 p.m. This lets your eyes start their repair cycle without fighting ongoing stress. And third, stay hydrated throughout the day to ensure good blood flow and nutrient delivery to your eyes. This isn't just a trend, it's a simple, science-backed strategy. 1 seed, 5 key nutrients, at the perfect time. After 60, our bodies need a different kind of support, and this simple habit nourishes your eyes with what they've been missing. It's about aging intelligently and protecting your independence. If this video helped you, please hit the like button so others can find it. Comment below, did you know about these benefits? and subscribe for more tips on aging with strength and clarity.